Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys have missed me. I'm gonna do a video today on something that I came across in, I think it was Aldi or Lidl. I think Lidl, and I'm absolutely stunned by it. And once again, I want to say hi to my subscribers and anyone new that's here. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So guys, what we've got here is the Samantha's Manicure and Pedicure set for beautiful hands and feet. And as you can see, it comes with a clockwise and anti-clockwise operation, continuously adjustable, and as you can see, with the little gadgets there at the bottom. 7 high quality attachments made from supplier and felt. As you can see, once again, it's just telling us what the product does, all the little gadgets that comes inside of it. I'm really excited to see how everything looks, how everything works, because to be honest with you guys, I've been trying to get these off my hands, but for some reason it's literally just not working. So let's see if this can help me get off my professional manicure nails. So guys, this is actually what it looks like inside. This is what it looks like inside, and the price wasn't bad. I think this was actually $9.99. I don't know if, like, it was on sale or they're just trying to get rid of the stock, but literally I think I got like the last one. So this is just the manual. For those of you that want to know if it comes with instructions. I think this should be quite straightforward to use, and it seems to come with a charger. Let's see. Yeah, but it comes with a charger. So I feel like it has to be plugged in to the wall whilst you're actually using the product. And these are literally just all of the gadgets that it comes with. So I have to see what one's best fit, because I'm literally trying to get my manicure set off. So let's see if it works. So guys, it's actually not bad. This is what he's done to my nails thus far, and it's quite powerful, but I feel like it works better on maybe I was trying to like finish up your nails and whatever. And as you can see, I've got it plugged in on charge, so it has to be plugged into power. But let's see if I can get these acrylic nails off, and I'll show you guys the results. So guys, as you can see, I've literally just cut my nails down with the clippers. So I'm going to see how this product can really aid me to get these things off. So guys, as you can see, my nails are off. I'm not going to lie to you guys, I literally had to like bite them off from the side, because the acetone that I was using was literally just not strong enough. So this is what I've currently got on the machine, and I've already buffed my nails down with this one. So now I'm literally using this one. As you can see, you've got a power up, power down, and then in different modes. But literally the amount of money I've been spending at these nail salons is absolutely ridiculous. And we were literally shopping in Aldi yesterday. And then I was like, oh my gosh, look at what Aldi have on sale. And then literally just took advantage of it. And then it worked out for the best. And I'm literally cleaning my nails up. Maybe in my free time I should actually learn how to do nails. Just like the basic, like manicures, pedicures. Nothing to do with designs. That's literally too time consuming. And what I like about this, guys, the product doesn't work on battery. It works like from the plug socket. So it's like, I'm really pleased. So guys, my nails are finished. Cute, cutesy, and classy.